The name of this mammal-like reptile that I've recently saw on Walking with Monsters. Well, one of the top predators on Walking with Monsters, and, well, one of the recently favorite predators. Well, this guy evolved from Dimetrodon. Well, it evolved from Dimetrodon, and of course, it and, well, they used to roam around Siberia. Gorgonopsid, that's the name of this creature, fast and walked near swamps. Small ponds. I find this creature to be really interesting. Let's check the book. Also, I got the DVD. Gorgonopsid, one of my favorites. Let's see the book. Where's the book? Let's see. Here it is. Top predator in a dying place. Its fossil finds were in Africa, so that means it was in Siberia. Alexa, 248 million years ago, what was it like in Siberia?
From fandom.com. In some areas, the fossil record is complete enough to show that Arctic adapted spruce forests roamed, and, like the rest of Siberia, was covered in snow all year round.
What? That's not possible. Siberia was mostly sand when I saw this creature in the desert. That is just mixed up. Am I right? Mixed up. There we are. Yeah, there we are. That takes care of the tail. Now let's draw the foot here. Alright, one fact about Gorgonopsid, this guy has a pattern. I can't believe this guy evolved from Dimetrodon. Its body would have been different compared to its evolved state. I saw it in the film. As we saw on Walking with Monsters, Dimetrodon took on a new shape. Millions of years, its sail started to fade away, and its skull started to extend, transforming it into, well, Gorgonopsid itself. And what do you know? I got it done. There he is, folks. That's how you draw him. Now let's go dashing through the desert.